Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Today I'm making Louisiana Dirty Rice. Louisiana Dirty Rice. So here's all the ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. Now, I know this looks like a lot, but really it isn't. But before I go any further, let me just say this. Look at this, guys. Quick and Easy Meals is an open collaboration invite. It's hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So what I'm going to do, you can see the hashtag is Quick and Easy Meals 23. I'm going to include the hashtag down in the description box below. You guys can click on that link and you can, I believe you'll be able to get the playlist with a lot of ideas for quick and easy meals. So for the Louisiana Dirty Rice, here are the ingredients that go into this dish. I know it looks like a lot, but this is really not hard to do. Now, I'm using fresh celery, fresh garlic, fresh green peppers, and fresh onion. I'm going to cut these things up. A lot of people I notice on social media, they use just spices for these, but I use fresh ingredients. Another thing is that this recipe calls for salt and pepper, of course, thyme, parsley, oregano leaves. Now, here's the things I add to it. I'm going to add some Lowry seasoned salt. I'm going to put a little heat on it. You know, I told you guys before, I always use paprika. And of course, the recipe calls for just a little bit of flour. So outside of cutting these little vegetables up, this is a cinch. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take long at all. I'll post the recipe so you guys can see it. So let me just come back and get everything together, and we'll touch base again when I'm getting ready to put it together and then for the final review, okay? All right, hang in there with me. Please watch till the end, okay, guys? So you can check this out. Okay, guys, I have cut up the vegetables, or the Trinity. So what I have here is green pepper, onion, and celery. That's the Trinity. Now, but in this one, in the onions, you'll see that I added in just a little bit of garlic. But if you want anything that tastes super good, you add that Trinity. One of the things that I forgot to include in my ingredients was bay leaves. Gotta have some bay leaves, and I forgot to include that before. Okay? All right, just hang in there. Okay, guys, we're all done. We're all plated. We have our Louisiana Dirty Rice and a nice green salad. Okay, I'm going to post the recipe for you down in the link below. And also be sure to click on the hashtag that's down in the description box, along with the other co-hosts and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, bye-bye.